Guys, it is Saturday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Okay, so I look greasy, hot and sweaty because Eric and I have been doing a lot of running around outside of the house, inside of the house, just doing a little fall cleanup. And so we've made our way back inside of the house, and we have a few packages that have been delivered for our master bedroom. Delivered for our guest bedroom in the basement that I want to share with you guys before we put them away. However, if you are interested in what we have done with the master bedroom, be sure to leave a comment. I'm so oily, so oily. Be sure to leave a comment and I'll get the master bedroom video out at some point for you guys. But yeah, we're really trying to get this guest bedroom together. I think the last time I spoke with you guys regarding the guest bedroom, we were actually at IKEA, and we said we were looking for a bed, not necessarily looking for a bed in IKEA, but we were going to go to a few stores that day and look for a bed for the guest bedroom, but we didn't find anything. So we actually ended up purchasing a bed, guys, online from Amazon.com. Yes, Amazon is taking over the world. Okay, you can get anything from Amazon. So we ended up purchasing a headboard and the frame for the bed from IKEA, and we actually purchased a rug. I got the rug from, believe it or not, Marshall's. So I'm gonna go downstairs and share that with you. Eric is going to put some of it together today, but anyway, let's head downstairs and take a look. But here are the boxes here. So this is what was delivered today. This is actually the headboard, and I actually have on shoes. These are new shoes, guys. These are actually new shoes. You guys know that we are a shoeless household. We don't wear shoes in the house, but I'm trying to break these in. And here is the other package that came today as well. Eric has brought down the headboard, and we're actually, guys, as you can see, going to see this headboard together. We've only actually seen it online. So let's see. Eric, do drum roll. Not quite yet. All right, so there it is in plastic. So I'm gonna let Eric go ahead and unwrap everything. Here is a look at the headboard. I love it. This is a queen headboard. Obviously, this is a guest room, so it's a little bit smaller. So we felt, you know, getting a king bed would just be a little bit overkill. So this is the queen. But what I want to point out, guys, is, do you see how, okay, so this is the headboard, and this is the sofa that we purchased to go in the guest bedroom. Look at the sofa. Look at the headboard. How pretty. Do you guys see how well they play off one another? Just a really, really pretty gray. And so this is obviously the rug, and these are the pillows that I purchased from, where did I get these from? I think I purchased these from Home Goods. And how much were these? Let's see. How much were these pillows? Okay, so these are the pillows I purchased from Home Goods, and they were $16.99. So I had not seen the rug. I just purchased the rug today, actually. But do you see how well the pillows play off of the rug? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be just the cutest little guest bedroom. Leave a comment below if you would like to put your name on the list for staying here in the guest bedroom. Okay, we'll do a first come, first serve. But no, anyway though, guys, but isn't it so cute? All right, let me let Eric finish putting everything together. So the headboard is a size queen, and then it just came with these two boards right here, and a few screws. So let's see what the property brother does with this.
This is a really simple assembly. Basically, You just screw this on the back of the headboard.
Uh-huh.
So this will be the easy part. What is probably going to be a challenge is this frame, mattress frame, because it is in a small box, and I know it's probably 50 pieces.
Yeah, that's the box out there that has the mattress frame in it.
So I'm gonna let you do that.
I think you can do all of this, babe. You're the property brother at the end of the day, and I have so much confidence in you. All right, someone wanted to know where we purchased the end tables here and the lamps. Oh my gosh, we've had these for so long, guys. I either got those from Home Goods, TJ Maxx.
Might have been Wayfair.
May have been Wayfair. I am not sure at all, guys, but I've had them for so long. You know, we've been trying to get this basement done forever, it seems. So, you know, if I knew exactly where they were from, they probably wouldn't have them in stock anyway. Yeah. It's been, wouldn't you say, babe, like almost a year, probably over that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But okay, so did it come with that little wrench?
Yes.
Okay.
It's called an Allen wrench.
Mm-hmm.
This will come with most of your furniture that you have to put together with these types of bolts.
Mm-hmm. And so again, guys, we just ordered this headboard from Amazon.com.
Great sale on it.
Yeah,
we shopped around. Mm-hmm. We saw this exact same headboard at home and on Overstock for almost twice as much.
Yeah, so do your due diligence when it comes to shopping. I still have these all these pillows piled up here. I cannot wait to show you guys what this looks like. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's what Eric says is going to be the hard part. All right, so let's see how many pieces there are.
Maybe I'll get lucky and it like all folds out.
All right, let's see.
Because this is a whole bed frame in this little bitty box.
All right, let's see. Let's see.
So that does not bode well. You have a whole bed frame in a box.
What are your thoughts?
We'll see. Maybe it unfolds. Maybe it's like a transformer. It just folds out.
Okay. It doesn't look like a lot.
No.
All right.
It's heavy.
I mean, well, we don't want the bed falling on anybody, breaking down.
So what we're gonna do is put this up against the wall.
Okay.
Roughly where it's gonna go.
Is it supposed to be that tall? Yeah, I guess so.
You can adjust it. I'd rather not do, but
all right, we'll leave it.
We'll see though.
Yeah, we'll see. We're probably gonna have to move those tables out of the way right there so we can.
Oh yeah. We gotta space everything. I might even hang those pictures.
Oh, okay. But I don't think it's gonna take you long to put this together, babe. But you said this got really good reviews.
Yeah.
Ooh, looks like it unfolds.
Well, it's got some nuts and bolts, so there's something I gotta do.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
But we gonna see. What the heck is it?
Here's a better look at the headboard, guys. I love that. Really pretty, just really light tufted detail, not overdone. And so if you are interested, you can purchase this on Amazon. And the company, I want to say it's Amazon Basics. So go to Amazon, maybe type in Amazon Basics and see what comes up. But that is where we actually purchased the headboard. If you are interested in the mattress frame, this is the company that we purchased that from, Zenus. And this was on Amazon as well.
Look, babe, they included this little tool that describes you.
No, you're the ratchet one.
Yeah, the little ratchet.
You're a little ratchet. That's cute, though.
That's the real meaning of the word ratchet. Y'all have hijacked this word.
How did a tool become, you know, that's just terrible. All right, so Eric has his instructions here. Eric, I'm ashamed that you even need instructions for this thing. Like,
it's
really?
It's actually not super complicated. I just got it. There's 2 adjustments. So I'm trying to figure out the queen bed adjustment. Because you can adjust it for a queen or a full.
I wanted to share with you guys the comforter that I picked up. And so it's just a regular old queen comforter, nothing special. However, the price is amazing. So again, this is a queen size comforter. And can you guys see the price? $69.99. Yes, it was a steal. So really happy about that. And you get 5 pieces with this particular comforter. Let's see what comes in here. You get the comforter, of course. You get 2 pillow shams, 2 decorative pillows, and yeah, those are your 5 pieces. So let's see if we can open it up. Eric is still working on the bed, so I went outside to check the mail. I ordered a pair of camo pants from the Gap. Has gotten late and we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. We had to take a break to go handle some stuff upstairs, but this is what we have done so far, guys. We hung the artwork over here on the right. We hung a few mirrors. We still have some pieces from IKEA to put together, and they are going to go along this wall here, and Eric is also going to take some up the length of the wall and across. So all of this space will be filled in with units that look like this and some taller ones, but pretty happy with it so far. It is coming along nicely. And I think, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night, head upstairs, take our showers and go to bed. When we started this, it was daytime. It is nighttime right now. And it's not saying, and I'm not saying that because, you know, the bed took a long time to put together, but we took a break and, you know, had to take care of some stuff upstairs. But I think it's really pretty. I think by the time we put everything together, it's going to look really, really nice. All right, so thanks for stopping in to hang out with us today, guys. Really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts on the guest bedroom thus far, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.